Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a scroll bar that controls the value in a cell, like adjusting quantity in an order form. Step 1. Enable the Developer tab. The Developer tab isn't shown by default. Right-click any ribbon tab. Customize the ribbon. Tick Developer, click OK. Click on the Developer tab. In the Controls group, click Insert. Under Form Controls, select the scroll bar. Step 2. Add and position the scroll bar. Click and drag to draw your scroll bar. You can make it horizontal or vertical depending on your layout. Tip: if you click outside and back in, you lose the resize handles. Always right-click to move or resize it. Step 3. Link the scroll bar to a cell. Right-click the scroll bar, Format Control. Set the options. Minimum value, 1. Maximum value, 50, or whatever your upper limit is. Incremental change, 1. Changes when using the arrows. Page change, 5. Changes when clicking within the scroll bar track. Cell link. Click the box and select the cell you want the scroll bar to control. Click OK. Step 4. Test your scroll bar. Initially, the cell might display a default value, like 20. Change it if you want. Click the arrow buttons. The value changes by 1. Click within the scroll bar track. The value jumps by 5. Now you have a scroll bar that dynamically updates a cell based on your settings. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.